If your Whirlpool WFE550S0LZ stove includes an air fry feature, you can enjoy crispy and delicious food without using much oil. Many people think air frying is only possible with a separate appliance, but modern stoves now come with this built-in function. However, using it correctly requires the right settings, rack position, and airflow for the best results. The good news is that, once you understand the process, you can easily cook crispy snacks and meals at home. In this video, I'll show you how to air fry using your stove step by step. Try these. Step 1. Press the air fry mode on your stove and set the temperature. Step 2. Place food on an air fry tray or a wire rack for proper airflow. Step 3. Position the tray in the recommended rack level inside the oven. Step 4. Set the timer according to the type of food you are cooking. Step 5. Flip or shake the food halfway through for even crisping.